Hello, now we going to discuss about the internal test to answer key for the subject PSOC. Okay, for the subject PSOC, subject code EE3602. This is our question. First of all, wait a minute. First question: what are the advantages and disadvantages of synchronous compensator? We have to write the advantages. That is a reactive power support. It provides reactive power support. It improves the power factor and it improves the grip stability and fast response. If you write the 4 point means you will get 1 mark. And for disadvantage, high cost synchronous operation. Next, size is high and high weight. Like that, mechanical wear and tear. If you write this point, you will get another 1 mark. Total 2 mark. Okay. Next question. Mention the purpose of series compensation. The major purpose of series compensation is to enhance the efficiency, capacity, and stability of the transmission line. If you write this point, means you will get a 2 mark. Next one, what are the type of excitation system? You have to write the 5 types of excitation system. You will award for 2 mark. Next, what is mean by full load average production cost? Okay, that is a full load average production cost. It used in economic dispatch for calculating average cost of producing electricity at full load of power. It gives the cost per unit of electricity generator during the operation of maximum capacity. This is the key point. If you write this point, means you will get 2 marks. Next, fifth question. Write the condition for optimal power dispatch in a lossless system. Okay, in a lossless system, generation is equal to demand. Okay, there is no losses. Loss are negligible. So generation equal to demand. Okay, if you write the equation, means you will get 1 mark. If you write the definition, means you will get another 1 mark. Okay. Next, draw the incremental cost curve. This is the incremental cost curve. If you draw the curve correctly, means you will get 2 mark. Next, what are the advantages of using participation factor? These are the 6 advantages of using a participation factor. That is identifying critical component, optimizing system operation. It's like that. If you write any 4 point, means you will get 2 mark. Okay. Next, we enter into the 8 mark question. That is, explain briefly about on-load and off-load tap changing transformer. Already we know that there is 2 types of tap changing transformer. That is off-load and on-load tap changing transformer. This is the diagram for off-load tap changing transformer. We already know that in the off-load transformer, if you want to change the tap, means you have to switch off the supply. Then only you change the tap settings and you have to turn on the supply. Okay, that's all about the off-load tap changing transformer. This is a major disadvantage. If you write regarding off-load tap changing transformer, means you will get 4 mark. Next, on-load tap changing transformer. This is the diagram for on-load tap changing transformer. In that on-load tap changing transformer, with the connection with the active current winding, we have a provision to change the tap settings. Okay, this is a procedure to change the tap settings. If you draw the diagram, means you will get 2 mark, and you explain the operation, then you will get 2 mark. Total 8 mark. Next, we enter into the 13 mark question. That is a AVR, automatic voltage regulator. In that question, we have to design a automatic voltage regulator. Here, first we have to design potential transformer. That's why we have to design a comparator. Comparator is a device which compare 2 signals. Okay. Here we have to write this equation. Next one is next we have to model the comparator. If you draw the comparator, means you will award 2 marks. Okay. Next, amplifier. The output of the comparator is the input for amplifier, that is del E. The amplifier del VR, output of the amplifier is directly proportional to input of the comparator. Okay, from that we have to derive the functions and model the amplifier. You will get 2 marks. Okay. Next, we have to model the exciter. For that, you have to draw the exciter model. This is the equivalent circuit of our exciter. Then we use a Kirchhoff's voltage law. We write that equation. Then simplifying the equation, you will get the model for exciter. If you write this equation correctly, means you will get another 2 marks. Totally 6 marks over. Next, synchronous generator. The output of the exciter is given to the input of the generator, which is same as that of exciter. If you derive the synchronous generator, means you will get another 4 marks. Okay, total 10 marks. Next, all are connected in series. You draw the diagram and simplify the diagram by using the cascading principle. You will award for 3 marks. Total 13 marks. Okay. Next, 10th question is an important problem. In a problem, they given that F1 and F2, we have to minimum and maximum loading. They given we have to share the load of 180 megawatt. Okay. First of all, we have to find lambda 1. Just differentiate F1 with respect to Pg1, we get lambda 1, and F2 with respect to Pg2, we get lambda 2. Okay. Next, demand equal to P1 plus P2 equal to 180. It is given in your problem. From that formula, we find the value of lambda. We already know that the formula. Just substitute that value. You find the value of lambda like that, 75.55. You find the lambda, means you will get 5 marks. Okay. Next, we have to calculate Pg1 and Pg2 with the help of lambda. Yeah. Next, after you finally you award 2 marks for finding Pg1 and Pg2. Okay. Next, cost of generation of unit 1 is just substitute the value for Pg1 in the F1 equation and Pg2 in the F2 equation. You find the value of cost of generation. Next, the load is equally shared. We have to find the net saving. If you find the net saving by using that integration method, totally 7 marks is awarded for above method. For a successful completion of answer, you will get 8 marks. Okay. If you any doubt, you can ask anytime. Thank you, student.